McKenna is a true Gallagher. Loves the sound of the drill. Listen.
So when we first noticed it, or when Justin did, he was do what you were doing. No, do what you were doing before.
I had stripped a screw head out.
But then we realized.
It's just.
Oh my god.
Ready?
Kenna, what if mommy does it? Kenna. Oh my word.
So if anyone's looking for any birthday ideas, a drill set.
We now know. Okay.
Kenna.
Alright.
Ready? Well, one last time.
Okay.
And while she's holding it, ready?